Okay. For this class, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in Spanish. Alright? Okay. Hola. Hello. Hola. Mhm. Um, Many people they like to be very informal, so probably they will only write hola with the letter H. Okay, so you will see many native speakers, okay, um, typing this word like this, okay, which is wrong, but it is very common. Okay, this is like very common. Okay, this is hello. Okay, now when we are introducing ourselves, um, we say mi nombre es, this is my name is, okay, or me llamo, okay, this is also like saying something very similar to my name is, me llamo, okay, and then you have to say your name. Me llamo Adolfo. Me llamo Adolfo, okay? Or you can say yo soy, which is I am, yo soy Adolfo, okay? So we have these options. Mi nombre es, me llamo, yo soy. Now, tengo 24 años de edad. This is I am 24 years old. Okay? Now, pay attention to this. Tengo, in this case, okay, only in this case means I am, okay? Okay? Because when we talk about possession, tengo means I have, okay? That is why many native Spanish speakers have this mistake. I have 24 years old, okay? That is the reason why we have this mistake, okay? But don't confuse, okay? So tengo, when we talk about the age, it is translated to I am 24 years old. Tengo 24 años de edad, okay? If you prefer, you can only say tengo 24, which is I am 24, okay? Or tengo 24 años, okay? Just like that. Yes, tengo 24 años, de edad. Let me think if there is another option to say your age. Tengo 24. Yes, there is another option. Mi edad es 24, but no, but this is not that common, to be honest. Mi edad es 24. No. Okay. let's make this simple, okay, guys? Tengo 24 años de edad, or tengo 24 años. Yo soy de, which is I am from, okay? Yo soy de México. Now, this is another one. Yo vengo de México. Okay? If you don't want to use the accent marks, it's okay. But remember, when you don't use the accent marks, you are being informal. Okay? So it's up to you. If you want to be formal, you will have to write, for example, in this case, hola with the letter H. But if you want to be informal, you don't have to write in the correct way. Okay? You can omit the accent marks or even certain letters. Okay? Okay, so yo soy de México. This is I am from Mexico. Yo vengo de México. I come from Mexico. Okay. Now, this is yo soy originario. This is like more formal. Really, more formal. To be honest, this is more formal. Yo soy originario de. But this is like more specific, and in this case, you can use only your country, or you can say your city, which is, in my opinion, more correct. Which is it is correct to use your city. Okay. When you use this word, originario, you are being specific, okay? You are being very specific, okay? So, I will use my city and even my state, Mexico, okay? Yo soy originario de Salina Cruz, Oaxaca, México. Of course, you can do the same with these other options. You can say yo soy de Salina Cruz, Oaxaca, México. You can be specific in that way too. But when you use yo soy originario, in my opinion, you have to be very specific. Okay? There is no other option. You have to be very specific. Okay. Now we have hola, okay? We have we have edad, which is age. Okay? We have the country, your city. Now, mucho gusto. Okay? Mucho gusto. Okay? This is like nice to meet you. There are many ways to say nice to meet you in Spanish. We have mucho gusto. We also have encantado de conocerte. Encantado de conocerte. Or we have es un placer conocerte. Es un placer conocerte. If you say es un placer conocerte, you are saying it is a pleasure. It is a pleasure. It is a pleasure meeting you. It is a pleasure. You can reply by saying, oh, no, my pleasure. My pleasure, right? In English, my pleasure. Okay? So my pleasure in Spanish becomes el placer es mío. Okay? El placer es mío. So this is like if you say el placer es mío, well, you are answering to that person, you are replying to that person. Okay? Es un placer conocerte. So we have mucho gusto, encantado de conocerte, es un placer conocerte. So yeah, this is very important. Okay, it is important when you are learning Spanish. This will help you to have a conversation. Okay, this is just the beginning. In more videos, I will give you more tips so you can hold a whole and very large conversation. Okay, well, this is it for today, guys. So continue studying. Okay, keep studying. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. That's my advice.